This is LING 270, Language, Technology, and Society. My name is Brennan, and I'll be filling in for Professor Schwartz. This is the beginning of Module 6, where we'll be discussing artificial intelligence. So when talking about artificial intelligence, we'll notice that intelligence is a phenomenon which is very closely related to language. So that's why this topic is pretty relevant for the theme of our course, namely the relationship between language, technology, and society. The topics that we'll be covering in this module will be, first of all, to define our terms. So talk about what does it mean for someone, a person, or something to be intelligent. So we'll define our terms to begin with. We'll also talk about techniques that have been developed to determine if a machine is capable of being intelligent. We'll discuss two famous thought experiments for this, namely the Turing test and the Chinese room experiment. And we'll discuss the different hypotheses as to how intelligent can a machine actually be. We'll also talk about the history of artificial intelligence as a research field. We'll notice that the field is actually much older than we may have anticipated, although most of the major developments have occurred very recently. And we'll also talk about the social reaction that has happened along with the development of artificial intelligence. So we'll see that there is a lot of optimism with the development of artificial intelligence, but there's also a lot of anxieties, and we'll discuss what those hopes and anxieties are. So by the end of this module, you should have learned about the history about automation and artificial intelligence. You should be able to define intelligence and understand techniques to determine how machines can be intelligent. And namely, you should understand how the Turing test works and how the Chinese room thought experiment works. And you should also discuss the pros and cons of the development of artificial intelligence as has been expressed in literature and also by economists.